Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss all the answers of the first year BDP English question bank of paper 2 under Netaji Subhash Open University in West Bengal. So let's start. Question number 1. What does the word Renaissance mean? Answer is rebirth. Question number 2. Who was Martin Luther? Answer is leader of Reformation movement and the founder of Protestant Church. Question number 3. The Reformation in England marked a tussle of authority between whom? Answer is Pope and English ruler King Henry VIII. Question number 4. Colin Clout is a character in which piece of literature? Answer is The Shepherd's Calendar. Question number 5. Who was the originator of the first English blank verse? Answer is Henry Howard, the Earl of Surrey. Question number 6. How many sonnets did Shakespeare write? Answer is 154. Question number 7. As what did the followers of Ben Jonson come to be known? Answer is Sons of Ben. Question number 8. Songs and Sonnets is a collection of poems by whom? Answer is John Donne. Question number 9. What does John Milton's pamphlet Areopagitica advocate? Answer is freedom of press. Question number 10. Who famously said of William Shakespeare that of all modern and perhaps ancient poets, he had the largest and most comprehensive soul? Answer is John Donne. Question number 11. Who is Cupid according to Greek mythology? Answer is God of Love. Question number 12. Why does the speaker in Philip Sidney's Loving in Truth spite himself? Answer is as all his efforts proved to be fruitless. Question number 13. What does the concluding couplet of Shakespeare's Shall I compare thee to a summer's day celebrate? Answer is male friendship. Question number 14. From where is the reference? Whatever dice was not mixed equally in John Donne's The Good Morrow drawn? Answer is from the medieval science of alchemy. Question number 15. In John Milton's On His Blindness, the concluding line, they also serve who only stand and wait, is an example of what? Answer is epigram. Question number 16. What does the word discourse mean in Francis Bacon's essay of studies? Answer is conversation or discussion in the art of oration. Question number 17. Which garden does Bacon mention in the opening line of his essay of Garden? Answer is Garden of Eden. Question number 18. In Apology for Poetry, Philip Sidney categorizes poetry into three kinds. What are they? Answer is religious, philosophical, and historical. Question number 19. Where does the abdication scene in Edward II take place? Answer is Act 5, Scene 1. Question number 20. Feared am I more than loved. Who says these words in Edward II? Answer is Mortimer. Question number 21. In which year was the famous first folio of Shakespeare's work registered? Answer is 1623. Question number 22. Where does the action in Macbeth largely take place? Answer is Macbeth's castle. Question number 23. How many times is Lady Macbeth mentioned in Holinshedh, which is Shakespeare's source of Macbeth? Answer is only once. Question number 24. Which character does not appear in Shakespeare's Macbeth? Answer is Flint. Question number 30. What aspect of gender does Shakespeare show in As You Like It? Answer is cross-dressing. Question number 31. When did the Glorious Revolution take place? Answer is 1688. Question number 32. What characterizes the Renaissance? Answer is humanistic philosophy or emergence of humanism. Question number 33. In which year was the first book in English printed? Answer is 1473. Question number 34. Why is the 1611 English translation of the Bible called King James Bible? Answer is it was commissioned by King James I. Question number 35. Why is the Elizabethan period called the golden age of English drama? Answer is noteworthy literary achievements were noticeable in the reign of Queen Elizabeth. Question number 36. Who is usually referred to as the greatest non-dramatic poet in England? Answer is Edmund Spenser. Question number 37. Who was the morning star of the Renaissance? Answer is John Wycliffe. Question number 38. Spenser read no language. Who uttered this? Answer is Ben Jonson. Question number 39. Which real life personality is implied in the sonnets of Amorti? Answer is Elizabeth Boyle. Question number 40. Pamela and Philolia are characters of which literary piece? Answer is The Countess of Pembroke's Arcadia by Philip Sidney. Question number 41. What characteristics feature of the Renaissance love sonnet was borrowed from the great classical master? Answer is meter or melodious meter. Question number 42. Who was poet of the Counter Reformation? Answer is Richard Crasso. Question number 43. Then the worms shall try that long piece of virginity, and your quaint honor turn to dust, and into ashes all my lust. In these lines, what is the poet trying to express? Answer is cruelty of time or onslaught of time. Question number 44. What is the subject matter of Geo of Malta? Answer is vengeance and retribution, or betrayal and revenge, or religious hypocrisy, or Machiavellian strategy. Question number 45. Who has written Orlando Furioso? Answer is Robert Greene. Question number 46. How many plays by Shakespeare were included in the first folio edited by John Hemming and Henry Condell? Answer is 36. Question number 47. In which play does the character Touchstone appear? Answer is As You Like It. Question number 48. In which play does Johnson satirize the growing Puritanism of the day? Answer is Bartholomew Fair. Question number 49. Thy baited hooks shall tangle me no more. In this line by Sir Thomas White, what figure of speech is baited hooks? Answer is metaphor. Question number 50. Which Shakespearean sonnets are addressed to the fair youth? Answer is 18 and 73. Question number 51. I sought fit words to paint the blackest face of O. What literary tool is used in the expression the blackest face of O? Answer is personification. Question number 52. The Good Morrow is an example of Obed. What is Obed? Answer is a morning love song. Question number 53. What does prosopopia mean? Answer is personification. Question number 54. So every defeat of the mind may have a special receipt. What does receipt mean in this sentence by Bacon? Answer is cure or remedy. Question number 55. What is the first discourse in the Gospel of Matthew called? Answer is Sermon on the Mount. Question number 56. Which critics comment is history well dramatized about Marlowe's Edward II? Answer is Tencock. Question number 57. In how many groups can Shakespeare's comedies be divided? Answer is 4. Early, middle, dark, final. Question number 58. Macbeth has violated moral law. Lady Macbeth has violated natural law. Whose comments is this? Answer is Marlene French. Question number 59. In As You Like It, Celia is disgusted as which character? Answer is Elena. Question number 60. What kind of love does Rosalind stand for in As You Like It? Answer is love which can withstand the obstacles and problems, or conventional love. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.